So that act of forgiveness may actually be the most expensive sex you ever have. Okay, so picture this. You're married and you find out your spouse is cheating on you. You decide to file for divorce, but you're the much higher income earning spouse and you're freaked out that you could have to pay thousands of dollars per month in alimony. You don't want to be married to them anymore, but you also want to pay tons of alimony to somebody who's sleeping with somebody else. So what will you do? Are you going to have to pay that alimony? Well, before I answer that question, let me tell you, there is no assumption in this video that I'm referring to the husband paying alimony to the wife. There are many situations I encounter where the wife is earning many times what the husband is earning, and alimony is not gender-based, it's money-based. So don't jump ahead in your assumptions, okay? Stay with me. All right, the short answer here is that if your spouse is cheating on you, file your divorce with infidelity listed as one of the fault-based grounds for your divorce. Check out my other video where I went through the 13 grounds for divorce in Georgia. One of them is no fault and the others are fault-based, and guess what? Infidelity is one of those fault-based grounds for divorce. Now pay close attention here. You must allege during the filing of your divorce that marital infidelity is the reason for the divorce. The divorce must be filed based on the cheating. Don't screw this up and plan on adding it later if you decide to, okay? Because it may not work. Don't get fooled into filing using the vanilla grounds of irretrievably broken, which Hollywood calls irreconcilable differences. Don't file it that way just by itself like that. If you don't allege the marital infidelity in the initial filing, you could potentially be barred from adding it later, and you could potentially end up paying alimony to your cheating spouse. Also, you must have the evidence of the cheating. In order for the judge to issue the divorce to you on the fault-based grounds of marital infidelity, the court must have the evidence. Knowing it is not enough. There's a lot of things in life we know and we can't prove. Well, the law is all about what you can prove to the court. So you may even want to consider hiring a private investigator to capture the evidence on video and in photos before you let your spouse know that you're aware of it and before you file. This is about protecting you and your assets if you find out your spouse is cheating and you're potentially thinking about filing divorce and you're worried about having to pay alimony. I'm trying to protect you here. So whenever there's a divorce, the court has the power to consider the totality of the circumstances in deciding how to divide up the marital estate. If you contend that your spouse killed the marriage with their cheating, you can also contend that they aren't entitled to live a life of luxury on your money. If you do catch your spouse cheating and then you present them with the evidence and they confess, they fall on the sword, you forgive them, and you make up with them, and then you have sex with them, guess what? That is a legal action. It's called condonation. Condoning of their bad behavior, condoning their actions, and alimony will not be barred if you later file for divorce when there has not been another new incidence of infidelity that has gone unforgiven. So that act of forgiveness may actually be the most expensive sex you ever have. You can't catch them and then forgive them and then expect to be able to use it against them later when it hasn't occurred again. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, whatever is appropriate for the platform you're watching it on, and turn on the alerts so you'll get notified when we post our newest videos. Please share these videos with people you care about who need to see this information. Feel free to repost it, and let's get this information out to everybody who needs to know. Also, leave us some comments. Let me know if you have questions or suggestions for other topics, and let me know your thoughts. I really want to hear what you have to say. Just keep it polite. Remember to join our Facebook group at Georgia Divorce and Custody and join the discussion. And as always, I look forward to seeing you on the next video.